Hey guys, it's Marquez from the MKBHD channel, back with a video for the DroidDog.com YouTube channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new updated SpeedTest.net application. Now this is a pretty useful application that's been received a pretty nice UI overhaul and revamp from the developers here. Now you might have noticed that there's a similar, or actually the same application on the iOS platform, and this is really a functional application for those of you who need a sort of universal benchmark. So getting right into the review, the things that have changed about this are, number one, the overhaul on the UI, and number two, the performance over the 4G network and much more accurate readings in that manner. So this is supposedly going to give you better accurate upload and download readings for those of you in a 4G area. So I won't be able to show you this on my Motorola Droid, of course, but if you had something like the Thunderbolt, you'd be able to see this. I'm going to go right ahead and start the test so you can check out this overhaul of the user interface. Right off the bat, you can see this little dial here with the red zone on the right. You have your ping, your download progress, and your upload progress up at the top there. And you can see the red zone is from 10 to 20 megabits per second. And I'll show you how to change the display of that in a second. Now there is a banner ad at the bottom. Don't worry about that. This is a free application, so it's really no big deal. However, you're going to have to deal with that because the developer put it there. Second of all, under settings that you can change about this application, I'll hide that. You can change the animations to either be smoother or give you better performance, whether or not you have a high-end phone. You can also change the sort history from your speed or your last upload or downloads maximum or minimum speed. And you can also change to display it in kilobits per second or megabits per second or whatever you want, and manually change the server. Last but not least, over here on the right hand side you can change, or actually you can just view the history. This is just the history button, which will let you view first of all the upload and download speeds, as well as the type of test it was. This I found particularly quick, useful. You can see whether I ran the test on Wi-Fi, like I just did at the most recent one, or on the cellular network, which is of course very slow in this room with no windows. You can tell that it was much slower indoors, both upload and download. So that's basically it for the SpeedTest.net application. Again, very useful for those of you guys who are looking for a more universal benchmark for different platforms, different phones, different networks. They will all typically have a way to test the upload and download speeds thanks to this app. So those of you who want to check it out, go ahead. It's in the Android market free right now. Thanks for checking out this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.